absolutely. You have, first of all, a big steel box that would take a forklift to lift. Uh, they're cemented into the ground or bolted into the ground. There's different ways to secure those, but from a physical perspective, it would be next to impossible for somebody to move. Also, best practice really is to locate those under some video surveillance equipment or to install video surveillance equipment of your own. Most jurisdictions are doing that. They're really trying to locate those somewhere that's a well-lit area, that's a highly trafficked area, an area that probably has video cameras already. So that adds to that layer of security. In addition to that, all of those boxes have different locking slots. So there might be a small slot that's locked when the box is not in use, and when it's time for the box to be used, that's unlocked. And it's just big enough to get ballots in, but not so big that other objects could be placed in, or that you would risk water or things like that getting into the box.